Good morning, children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EVS 2 class. Children, yesterday we have done in our live classes and we have started with the new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Discovering India and lesson 5. And what are the things we have done? Let us have a quick recall of it. We have learned about the address. Why address is important, children? To deliver a letter or to send a letter, children, you have to give the proper address. If anything is missing in the address, your letter will come back to you. The most important thing is the PIN number. Including the PIN number, you have to write the person name to whom you are going to deliver it, or to whom you are going, you have written it, then the house number, the state name, then the city, everything should be in details. And the most important is the PIN code, okay? And PIN, it stands for postal index number. It's very important, children, to write on a address. Then next we are going to learn, we have learned about the villages, towns and cities. We have learned that in villages you find there is less pollution. The most important thing, it is greenery everywhere, and you will not find the schools and hospitals like what we have in our city or towns. Okay, it is not highly developed. Okay, villages are not highly developed. Then you will not find airport also. And the most important thing is that you will find greenery everywhere and there will be less pollution. And the village are governed by the Gram Panchayat. And who is the head of the Gram Panchayat? It is the Sarpanch. You should remember, villages are under the Gram Panchayat, and under the Gram Panchayat we have the Sarpanch who looks after the village matters. Then moving to the next point, it is about the towns. And towns, it is more developed than the villages, but less than the cities. In towns you are going to find school and colleges and hospitals also, but not like cities, how it is well facilitated, you will not find, but much better than the village. And in towns there you will find pollution also. Okay, in the village we have found that there is less pollution, but in towns you will find it polluted. Okay, then we have also learned that towns are governed by the municipal council, and the head of the municipal council is called the chairperson or the chairman. Okay, towns, municipal council, and who is the head? It is the chairman or the chairperson. Then we have learned about the cities. Now moving back to the city, children, we are staying in a city, Guwahati, and we have seen in and all around us, we can see all the facilities we have. Giving the example of our own school, we have a beautiful school, a high-tech school, a good infrastructure is there, isn't it? Then we have hospitals. Then we have malls, shopping malls, we have restaurant, we have cinema hall, theaters, every facilities are provided in the city. But the most important thing is that it is more polluted. You'll find pollution here. Okay, then we have learned about the cities. There's so cities under the municipal corporation, and who is the head of the municipal corporation? It is the mayor. Okay, who is the head? It is the mayor is the head of the city. That is the municipal corporation. Municipal corporation, who is the head? It's the mayor. We have learned about these things. It is very important. Village is governed by the Gram Panchayat. It is the Sarpanch is the head. Again, towns, it's under the municipal council, and who is the head? Chairman or the chairperson. Then we have the cities, municipal corporation, and who is the head? It is the mayor. Okay, children, we have learned about these things. Now we are going to learn about the states and capital and even the union territories. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss about the states and union territories, and we are going to also discuss the meaning of government. So, states, how it is formed, children? It is formed by villages, towns and cities together form a state. And how many states we have? We have 28 states. And how many union territories we have? We have 8 union territories. And the Union territories are looked after or governed by the central government. And what is the meaning of union territory, children? A union territory is an area that is directly governed by the central government. Okay, it doesn't fall under the state government. It is directly controlled by the central government. Then moving to the next, we have learned about the meaning of government. What is the meaning of government? A government is a group of people who make decision for the whole country. Okay. Always remember, a government is a group of people that make important decision for the whole country. About country India, they make decision, laws and orders. Okay, who make the government? And you'll find there are 3 levels of government: central government, state government and the local government. Okay children, central government is the head. It looks after all the states, that is the whole country is looked after the whole country. Then we have the state government, and in each state you'll find the state government, and local government you'll find in villages, towns and cities. Okay children, we have already learned about it. Now let us start with the levels of the government. Okay children, now let us start with the different levels of government. How many levels of government there are? There are 3 levels of government. And what are they? Number 1 is the central government. Number 2 is the state government, and number 3 is the local government. So the central government, where you will find it is located in the New Delhi. It is located in New Delhi. Then it makes the decision for the entire nation, whole country. It takes makes the decision. And who is the head? The Prime Minister, President, Prime Minister and other cabinet minister we are going to find in the central government. Then we have the state government. Who is the head? Is the governor, chief minister, then the other ministers. Then last is the local government, cities, town and village. I have already said, in city you will find the mayor. Then town you are going to find the chairperson, and in village you are going to find the head is the sarpanch. Okay children, let me revise it again so that you can get a clear idea. Number 1 is the central government, and who is the head? The president, then the prime minister, and you'll find the cabinet minister. And where it is located? It is located in the New Delhi. It looks after the entire country. Okay. Then moving to the state government. In every state, we have 28 state children. In every state, so you're going to find one governor, chief minister, and other minister. And next, coming to the last one, we have the local government, that is city, town and villages. Okay, cities, towns and villages. So who is the head of in the city? It is the municipal corporation, and it is called the mayor is the head of it. Then we have the town, and who is the head? It is the chairperson or the chairman. Then we have the village, and who looks after the village people? It is the sarpanch. Okay children, these are the things we have learned, and now we are going to learn about the functions of the government. What are the different functions of the government? For that children, please look in page number 41. Functions of the government. Just as we are responsible for a lot of things, the government is also responsible for the following function. What are the different functions of the government? We are going to learn one by one. So maintaining law and order. The central and the state's government often work together to make many laws. Okay children, if there is no laws, there will be chaos, there will be fightings everywhere. No one will obey to one another. Simple as at home also, you have all your rules and regulation given by your parents. Same as we have in our central and state government. It includes making rules and seeing that the rules are properly followed also. It takes care that each and every one follows the rule properly. It also includes punishing the people who do not obey the laws. And children, there is a provision where the citizen are being punished also if they doesn't follow the rules and regulation of the state or the central government. Then fulfilling duties. The government also fulfill its duties and such as preserving monuments, forests, water bodies and so on. So government also take care of all those things, children. Monuments, we have read, monuments, then forests, they take care of the forests, then water bodies, because now we have the water pollution. We throw all the garbages on the water and we make it dirty. It also provides aid during bad events such as earthquake and floods. If there are certain natural diseases, there may be any flood or earthquake, whatever, children, the government provide us with food, then medicines, okay, and shelters for those needy people also. Then moving to the next page, we have, it is about the providing various facilities. What are the various facilities? We have the public transport facilities, we have the entertainment facilities, we have the healthcare facilities, and we have the educational facilities given by the government. So the government is also responsible for providing different kinds of facilities. These facilities are cheap or free. Means we know that government, it take less money or it is free also in some cases. The facilities offered by the government are available to the everybody. That means everyone can utilize the facilities provided by the government. Some of them are of following: public transport facilities. This includes facilities that allows people to travel from cities, town, village and states. Example, buses and trains. We have our own buses and trains. You can see, children, they move from one place to another and it is under the government transport. Then we have the entertainment facilities. This includes facilities that allows people to enjoy and have fun, such as zoos and parks also. Even the government, they build and the people of the particular state can see and use it also. Then we have the healthcare facilities. Healthcare facilities is the people, doctors will be there. Then we find hospitals, clinics, so that when you are not well, you can go and take care of your health. You can look after your health. Then we have the education facilities, that includes schools, colleges, where government gives us free education also, and they will provide us books. And even you can make use of the library also, where you can go and read books. These are the things that government provide us with various facilities. These are the things we have learned from our lesson, that is lesson number 5, and the name of the lesson is Discovering India. In the next class, we are going to discuss the workbook discussion, children. Okay, till then, thank you and take care and have a nice day ahead.